When we talk about the ultimate supercar, one name stands out above all others: the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. This car is not just a machine, it is a symbol of raw power, cutting-edge technology, and Italian craftsmanship. The Aventador SVJ takes Lamborghini's DNA to its extreme form, combining breathtaking speed with aggressive design and track-focused performance. Today, we will explore every detail of this masterpiece, from its jaw-dropping design to the roaring V12 engine, high-tech interior, top speed, and price. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why the Aventador SVJ is considered one of the greatest Lamborghinis ever built. Design and exterior. The Aventador SVJ is designed to be noticed. Every curve, every line, and every detail is sculpted to improve aerodynamics and performance. The aggressive front splitter, sharp air intakes, and massive rear wing are not just for looks, they are part of Lamborghini's advanced ALA 2.0, Aerodynamica Lamborghini Aventador system, which actively controls airflow for maximum downforce and stability. The lightweight carbon fiber body reduces weight while maintaining strength. The SVJ stands low and wide, with a muscular stance that demands attention. Whether standing still or flying past at top speed, the Aventador SVJ looks like a fighter jet on wheels. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Aventador SVJ lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. This monster produces 770 horsepower and 720 Nm of torque, making it the most powerful V12 Lamborghini ever put into production. Paired with a 7-speed ISR transmission, the car rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.8 seconds. Keep pushing, and it will reach 200 km/h in 8.6 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 350 km/h. The all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip, while the specially tuned suspension and active aerodynamics make it equally capable on sharp corners and long straights. This is not just a fast car, it is a track weapon built for performance. Exhaust sound and driving experience. One of the Aventador SVJ's most thrilling features is its exhaust note. The naturally aspirated V12 engine produces a sound that is raw, aggressive, and unforgettable. From the deep growl at low revs to the high-pitched scream as it approaches 8,500 revolutions per minute, the Aventador SVJ sounds like a symphony of pure power. Behind the wheel, the experience is intense. The steering is sharp, the throttle response is instant, and the connection between car and driver feels alive. Every drive is an event, whether you're on a racetrack or cruising through the city, the SVJ guarantees goosebumps. Interior and technology. Step inside the Aventador SVJ, and you enter a cockpit built for both luxury and racing. The cabin features a mix of Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather, giving it a sporty yet luxurious feel. The digital instrument cluster displays all performance data in real time, while the infotainment system offers modern features like navigation, connectivity, and entertainment options. The lightweight racing seats are designed to hold you firmly in place during high-speed maneuvers, while still offering comfort for long drives. Lamborghini also allows for personalization, so owners can customize colors, stitching, and materials to make the car truly unique. Aerodynamics and handling. The SVJ is equipped with Lamborghini's ALA 2.0 system, which is one of the most advanced aerodynamic technologies in the world. This system adjusts flaps in the front and rear to direct airflow where it is needed most. During straight-line acceleration, it reduces drag for maximum speed. In corners, it increases downforce on the inside wheel for improved grip and stability. Combined with rear-wheel steering, carbon ceramic brakes, and Pirelli P0 Corsa tires, the Aventador SVJ delivers handling that is razor-sharp. This is a car that feels planted at all times, giving drivers complete confidence at any speed. Special achievements. The Aventador SVJ is not just about numbers on paper, it has proven itself on the world stage. In 2018, it set a record lap time at the Nürburgring Nordschleife, completing the legendary circuit in just 6 minutes and 44.97 seconds. This achievement made it the fastest production car in the world at that time, cementing its place in supercar history. Price and exclusivity. Owning a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ is a dream that comes with a premium price. The base price started around $517,000, but with customization options, the final cost can go much higher. Production was limited to just 900 units worldwide, making it an exclusive collector's item. Because of its rarity, the SVJ has already started appreciating in value, making it not just a car, but an investment for those fortunate enough to own one. Final verdict. The Lamborghini Aventador SVJ is the definition of extreme. It is a supercar that blends art and engineering, beauty and brutality, speed and precision. From its V12 engine to its record-breaking performance, from its aggressive design to its luxurious interior, the SVJ represents the very best of Lamborghini spirit. For enthusiasts, it is not just a car, it is a dream, a passion, and a piece of history on four wheels. Outro. And that was a complete look at the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. A car that doesn't just define performance, but redefines what it means to be a supercar. If you enjoyed this video and want more detailed reviews of legendary cars, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring you more content on the most exciting machines in the world.